In this tutorial, I wanted to talk a little bit about tinking, which is something that I actually learned while on set at Game of Wool. I had been doing this technique for a very long time, but I had no idea that it actually had a name. So to tink is to knit backwards, and it blew my mind. I was like, oh my gosh, of course it is. Tink, knit, makes total sense. So this is great for if you find yourself making a mistake or if you've made a mistake in the row that you're working on. It teaches you to knit backwards so that you can fix the mistake before moving on to the next row. Let's say we're knitting away and everything's going well and we're doing a stocking stitch, but then, oh no, I've just done a purl stitch. Oh dear. And then I carry on knitting and I didn't even realize that I've done a purl stitch. And then I'm like, oh wait, I've just noticed that I've made a mistake. I've done a purl where I was meant to do a knit. How am I going to fix that? Well, I'm going to show you how to tink, how to knit backwards. So you can see the V right here underneath the stitch that's on the needle. You're going to put your needle through that stitch, and then you're going to let that bit drop off, and then you've got your stitch back, and you've reversed what you just did, essentially. So you go into the V underneath the stitch, and you pull it back onto the other needle, and you let the bit that you wrapped around drop out of the way. Into the V, pull it onto the left needle, and let the bit that you wrapped around, which is your working yarn, drop out. Same again, into the V, drop it onto your left needle, and let the bit that you wrapped around just drop off and pull it out. Oh, look, we're back to our purl stitch. So now we need to figure out how to get rid of that one. So we bring our yarn in the direction that it was in. So because it was a purl, we bring it to the front. And we go into that stitch to undo our mistake. And you let out the working yarn and you bring it to the back. And you're like, okay, now I can carry on. And I just fixed my mistake in my row by knitting backwards, which is like a dream. I'm going to now just show you the rest of the row knitting backwards to where I started, not because I made a mistake in it now, but just to show you again and again how to knit backwards. So you go into the stitch and then you let it drop off and you pull the working yarn back. So you go into the V, off, pull the working yarn out. So you're just basically doing the reverse of what you did. You're like, I don't want this bit on there anymore, and I need this stitch back on my left needle. So you pull it back over and drop it off. Same again, into the V and drop it off. And then for the last stitch, again, you go into the V. The last one is slightly more complicated. So you kind of can just pull it and then you can see where your stitch was. And then you have it. And you just knit back the whole row. Thank you for watching this video. Now don't forget to subscribe to Let's Get Knitting for more tutorials of knit and crochet, and of course, some extras from Game of Wool.